Amritsar, food and cultural capital of Punjab. A vibrant city of Punjab, famous for its cultural heritage, religion, and cuisine. History of Amritsar goes back to the 16th century, and the city is known as the holiest city for Sikhs. It is one of the major weekend gateway destinations from the capital city. Amritsar is worth visiting for traditional town planning and architecture. Apart from the Havelis and Hutties, the city is famous for its heritage, ancient passage, typical archway between mohallas and katras of old Amritsar. The city is a major threading the colorful fabric of India's socio-cultural milieu. Amritsar has contributed immensely to Punjabi literature and folk culture. Amritsar is a food lover's paradise too. A large variety of street food is available in Amritsar. Let's look into some highlights of the city. Golden Temple. A two-story structure covered in real gold and surrounded by a 5.1 meter deep man-made lake. With its magnificent beauty, the iconic history of the Golden Temple dates back to 400 years. It is the most significant shrine in Sikhism. Whenever you visit the Golden Temple, do not miss the langar. The langar feeds a minimum of 40,000 people every day. During weekends and holidays, the number goes up to 1 lakh. Wagha border. Wagha border or Wagha Atari border is the last Indian area before the Pakistan mainland. It hosts a ceremony where the soldier of India's border security force and Pakistani's rangers march and parade, making it among the top tourist attractions in Amritsar. The area is filled with the people on both sides celebrating the patriotic vibe. Maharaja Ranjit Singh Museum. Another top attraction is Maharaja Ranjit Singh Museum that offers a glimpse into the life and times of the great ruler. Visit if you favor a rich collection of artifacts and archival records. Jallianwala Bagh. A historic garden and a memorial, Jallianwala Bagh, the 7-acre garden complex, is located near the Golden Temple. Jallianwala Bagh is regarded as the memorial of national importance in memory of souls who lost their lives in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Partition Museum. A visit to Amritsar is incomplete without paying a visit to the Partition Museum. The museum holds oral histories and photographs of the migrant camps, artifacts by refugees, government documents, and other installations. Akal Takht. Originally known as Akal Banga, Akal Takht is one of the 5 Takhts in Sikhism. Takhts are the sacred seals of Sikh gurus and they work as a place of justice. Akal Takht is located next to the Golden Temple and is one of the finest tourist attractions in Amritsar, as it also houses some of the oldest and holy books and scripts of Sikhism. Taran Taran. Taran Taran is a small district in the state of Punjab and is one of the most popular tourist places in Amritsar. The place is very popular for its Gurudwara, Gurudwara Sri Taran Taran Sahib. The complex of the Gurudwara Sri Taran Taran Sahib has the biggest sarovar among all the other Gurudwaras in Amritsar. Sun City Park. One of the most fun places to visit in Amritsar, this 12-acre water park and theme park is one of the top places with adventure and fun activities in Amritsar. Sun City Park has around 14 fun and adventurous rides which can be enjoyed by people of all age groups. Thunder Zone Amusement and Water Park. One of the most wonderful and fun places to visit in the city, Thunder Zone Amusement and Water Park is filled with fun rides and other adventures. It is located on the outskirts of Amritsar and is spread over an area of 12 acres. With 4 giant swimming pools and more than 20 fun rides, Thunder Zone Amusement and Water Park is one of the most popular water parks in North India. Experience the legend of Punjabi hospitality in the golden city of Amritsar. The city is sure to cast a spell on you.